Hi everyone, playing classic Kondike Solitaire, playing one take and trying to play fast. Alright, I'm going to wait on these draw piles until the very end. Going to use them as insurance, or at least that's the plan. Let's see how fast we can go here. Oh boy. Alright, I know, faster, faster. And there's an 8 under the king. Alright, wonderful. That's good to know. Let's see what we have here. Going to wait till the end. Oh, we got a lot of cards to move here. This might be a fast game until I screw it up or get something weird at the end. Oh, that's even better yet. I'm glad I didn't make that move. Oh, that's a 2, right? Okay. 4, 9. Oh boy. I'm gonna need something here. That's not it. Let's see. The black 9 can't use. Oh, that 10's a good card. I'm going to use that card later, though. 7 of diamonds going to use later. What do we got? Okay. Trying to work the back of this pile out and then get my way back here. I think there was an ace toward the back. I may be playing the 7 of diamonds here. Oh, there is an ace in the back. Oh, sweet. Okay. And I can play the 3 of the diamonds, or the 3 in the next turn. Okay. Let's see. Work it again. Maybe playing this. Oh no, there was a 3, right? Okay. Alright, let's work that 4. No, I don't want to work the 4. I'm going to play the card in front of it. Let's put the 7 of diamonds here. I will work the 4 out eventually. I needed that one to be a different color. Oh, maybe I can make it work. Oh, I have this move. I'm so dumb. Oh boy. Oh no, I want that one. Let's see what we have here. Can play that. Can play that. Oh, that's good. Oh, now I'm going to play one of these down here. That may be a dumb move. Sometimes it's actually... Oh, you know what? I'm going to leave that 3 up there. Because sometimes it's better not to have it up there until you move the ace. I can't remember where the ace was off the top of my head here. But I will eventually get there. Let's see. 9, no. 10... I think, yeah, okay. Alright, gonna play that 10 here. And 5 of diamonds can be played. Oh, that's good. I can play the black 9. I can play the black 9 in the next turn. Let's go back through again. There's the black 9. Let's see if there's anything underneath it just to be safe. Nope. Oh, there is. There's a 6. And the 6 leaves an opening. I will play that 5 down just so I can move the queen. Fingers crossed. Oh, good. That may be all I need there. Yeah, it probably is. Alright, let's play the rest of these here. Oh, sweet. Okay. The rest is just pretty academic, I believe. Oh, you never know. Let's see, still gotta play that 9. That's why I saved the 9 for last. Oh, that's good. And let's see. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful! This may be one of my faster times solving this. Well, maybe. Oh, that was an easy move. Alright. Mission solved. Problem solved. Mission accomplished. Cool, sweet. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I didn't stutter too much. Again, no editing, one take. Have a good one.